everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, coming on back, all that great stuff. So if you love cornbread, today's your lucky day because I'm going to show you how to make a delicious cheddar cheese jalapeno cornbread that is really amazing. And if you want to stick around and see how it all turned out, keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. And don't forget to turn on those notifications. And that's just going to notify you every time I upload a video. So enough talking, let's get cooking. So I'm going to start off this recipe by using 1 cup of cornmeal. I'm going to grate 4 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese, and I'm going to use 2 jalapeno peppers. I have 1 cup of buttermilk. I also have 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I also have 2 eggs and 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1/4 cup of sugar and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Also 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. So in a medium bowl, I'm going to just go ahead and add in my buttermilk. And I'm also going to add in my vinegar, and I'm just going to take a spatula and just mix everything together. So I'm just going to go ahead and set this to the side, and I'm going to mix in my dry ingredients. In a larger bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add in my cornmeal and the flour. Add in the baking powder, as well as the garlic powder and the sea salt. So I'm just going to grab a whisk and mix everything together, making sure everything is combined really well. Now I'm ready to add in the melted butter. I scrambled, and I'm going to go ahead and add the 2 eggs. So I don't know about you guys, but I like my cornbread to have a little bit of sweetness, so I'm going to go ahead and add in this sugar. And again, I'm going to grab my whisk and just mix all these ingredients together. Okay, so now it's time to go ahead and add in the buttermilk and the vinegar mixture that I mixed earlier. Now for the last time, I'm just going to go ahead and whisk everything together, but make sure not to overmix because you want your cornbread to be nice, light, and fluffy. Now I like spicy foods, but I'm really not trying to burn my tongue off, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut and take the seeds out of the jalapeños and just slice them and just dice them up really small. So now at the very end, I'm ready to go ahead and add in my cheddar cheese and take a rubber spatula, and I'm just going to fold it into the cornbread mixture. Now again, don't overmix it because you want it light and fluffy and airy. And at last, I'm going to go ahead and add in the jalapeños. And also go ahead and fold that into the mixture as well. So I'm all done, and this is what it looks like. So I'm ready to take an 8x8 baking pan, and I lined it with some parchment paper, and I put a little bit of vegetable oil on the bottom just so that it doesn't stick. And as you can see, I'm pouring in the cornbread mixture into the pan. Now before I put it into the oven, I'm just taking a spatula and spreading everything out, making sure everything is even. And I went ahead and preheated the oven at 375, and I'm going to bake it off for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, this is what the cornbread looks like. It looks so good and amazing, and I let it cool down for 10 minutes. And as you can see, look how easy it is when you take it out the pan with the parchment paper. It makes cleaning up so much easier. Now I love this cornbread while it's nice and warm. Look, you can see the cheese and the flecks of jalapenos. I love it with chili or as side bread with like baked chicken, or you can just have it all by itself. I mean, you guys, this cornbread is that good. And that's it, you guys. We're all done. It was super simple. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Like, share this video with everybody you know, especially if they love cornbread. And definitely, if you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comment section down below and let me know what you think. Before you leave, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel by clicking that box you see right there. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right there. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.